Well, over to other news. Another disaster at the Mahakumbh Mela in Allahabad. A late-night fire killed one person and gutted close to 30 tents in Sector 4 of the venue. Seen here through this amateur video, the fire broke out close to 2 a.m. but has been doused. Incidentally, today is an auspicious day for the Snan as it is Basant Panchami.
A fire broke out at the Nirmal Akhada in Sector 4 of the Kumbh Mela, and as you can see, the entire camp, a major portion of it has been completely gutted. Close to 30 to 40 tents have been burnt completely. Now, what we are being told that there might be one casualty. We've seen the body with our own eyes, and whether there are many more injured, that remains to be seen. There were ambulances here. They had actually taken some people away, so there could be some people with some burn injuries as well. But so far, we are only getting reports of one person dying in this particular fire that broke out in the Nirmal Akhada. ये बताइए कितने बजे हुआ है?
मेरा है, मैं यहाँ सो रहा था। क्या बताना है, 1-1:30 बजे आग लगी।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
किस वजह से आग लगी? आप लोगों को कहाँ लगता है?
कैंप में लगी पहले।
अच्छा,
तो मैंने सोच यहाँ लगी पीछे, तो हमने समझा कि लोग नहाने जा रहे।
अच्छा,
हम एकदम चल पड़े, देखा कि आग लगी और फिर एकदम देखते देखते यहाँ आ गई। वो पूरा सामान समेटा और स्वतगिरी बंगला हरिद्वार बम्बई वाले का है, और हमारा तो कुछ ऐसा।
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ज्यादा लोग घायल हुए हैं या क्या लगता है? मेरे को लगता है कि कई लोग जगे हुए थे तो लोग भाग निकले।
सब भाग निकले, ऐसा लगा कि सब भाग निकले। कोई
हम लोगों को उधर आग जैसे नजर आई, हम लोग बाहर निकले। सामान उसके लिए हमको सब संतों की सबकी पड़ी हुई थी, हम सबको बाहर निकालते गए। पहले तो जैसे हमने वहाँ आग देखी, सबको पहले बाहर किया, पहले सबको बाहर कर। अगर 10 मिनट पहले गाड़ी पहुँच जाती तो हमारा बच सकता था,
अखाड़ा बच सकता था,
हमारा पूरा कैंप बच सकता था।
लेट आया,
Okay, these people complaining about the fact that perhaps had help reached in time. Perhaps more of these tents could have been saved. Better firefighting could have happened, but that is always something that can be said about any fire that breaks out, that had help reached in time. But various parts of the Kumbh are divided into various sectors, and they all have their respective sector magistrates and their respective firefighting teams. And as we were coming towards the site, we saw several of those ambulances and also the fire tenders rushing to the spot, and thanks to which the fire has been controlled. But unfortunately, one person has died. We don't know whether that number is going to grow because we haven't really seen many people being injured in this fire, as I have been pointing out that most people were awake at the time when fire broke out because they were getting ready to prepare for the Shahi Snan on the day of the Kumbh. With camera person Ramesh Verma, Anand Zanane for NDTV.